Hello, it's Stavetta. Welcome back to Abstract and Flow. Today, we are going to spill the tea. No, I don't have any tea. I don't know anything about tea. But I do know about paint pouring. So today, we are going to pour some paint and hopefully make something beautiful. So I'm going to get you down on the canvas and we're going to get this pour started. So today I am working on 30 by 15 canvas. I've already painted my edges because the base is going to be black. Sometimes if you do a black base and it dries, you'll see a hint of canvas is kind of bare right on the edges. So if you pre-paint your edges, that will eliminate that issue. My base is Artist Loft Flow Acrylics Black. Today's colors are Liquitex Basics Silver, Liquitex Basics Titanium White, Deco Arts Matte Metallics, and this is their charcoal. So the client requested grays and something neutral, so that's what we're going to do. So going to pan you down to the canvas. I'm going to get my base coat on and we'll get started. We are at the base. Please excuse the glare. You know when you have a black base, you're going to get some reflection. So yeah, that's what you're seeing. Now, you're familiar with my channel. You've seen the sunflower pour that I did with the beads and the yellow and gold and sunflower going out. Well, client wants that technique, but in the colors I indicated before. And she wants a double. So a double flower, petal type shapes on one canvas. So that's what we're going to do. Now, I got a lid here that I don't use from the kitchen. Yeah. You know, I don't buy a whole lot of supplies that I incorporate in my art. I just find stuff around the house. So we're going to put this about right here. And the petals are going to come out. And then we're going to do one over here. So let's see if I can make a little indentation. And that's about 6 inches. Okay, I think that'll do it. So I'm going to be using my little plastic to do some swiping. And I'm going to start off with, and this is actually a pearl white. So we're going to start off with a pearl white to do our first swipe. And then we have, this is a silver gray. And this is our charcoal. Okay. So I'm going to start right up top here and do my first little swipe. And I have a piece of rag so that I can wipe off my card so that we're not dragging any residue. With each swipe. Now it may not look like much in the beginning, but you have to go back and kind of tweak your petals to make them kind of look like petals. So I'm going to go back in, let's see. With the white again. And this is going to create almost a layering from the first section of petals we did. Okay. Now we're going to do that exact same thing, but on this side. Just to make sure that it's uniformed. So this is 5 inches from the edge to there. And let's see if we have 5 inches on this side. Yes, 5 inches. Okay, great. So we're going to start off with our white. I can barely see my little line, but I can see it. And we're going to go in with the silver, charcoal, That looks like more than 5 inches. Let's see. Yeah, that's 6 inches. Okay, so what we're going to do, and this looks a little sparse anyway, so I'm just going to create a line right there. Okay. Now I'm going to take my little tool here and basically use the tip to kind of define the petals a little as we're bringing up some of the black from the base. And we're going to add just some beads just to give it some contrast. Now, because the base is still wet, we don't need to add any adhesive. The paint is going to be the adhesive. And I'm going to move them around just so that they're more of a shape that I want. And it's okay for them to be a little sparse because I'm going to add a silver colored beads, and that'll be a nice contrast to the petals. So here is a little closer look at the application for the beads. And we're not filling up the complete area here. And we'll just move them around so that they're uniformed, giving a nice effect. And you can use your stir stick or, you know, a plastic utensil, your finger, anything to get your beads positioned where you want them. Now, compared to this one, I think we need a few more up here. And then we'll just move that down. Now the ones that are covered, once the base dries, you'll see like little indentations, like you didn't pop your bubbles under the paint. So you're going to have a variation of beads and indentations, and it's going to give you a very nice effect. So we got a little cell action going on here, and basically that's the piece. That's exactly how I described to them my vision, and they agreed. So there we go. So it's my studio, my room of junk. So yes, thank you all so much for tuning in today. It's been lovely spending some time giving you all some FaceTime. As I always say, stay safe out there. Be blessed. See you next pour.